friends, I'm Gina and I'm glad you're here. Today we're making zucchini boats. So I have 3 medium-sized zucchinis here that I've washed up. First thing I'm going to do is cut the ends off of them. I'm going to cut them in half, or close to half. Yeah, that didn't quite turn out half. Okay, so make sure you leave about 1/4 of an inch on each side, and don't cut into that, because that's going to be your boat. It's going to hold your filling in there. Oops. And then I'm going to scoop that out. I like to cut it up and put it in the middle, but you don't have to if you don't want that in your filling. Also, you guys will want to preheat your oven to 350. Like I said, even though I scraped that right there because I'm not cutting into it, I've still got that side there. It's still good. And then just scrape them out. That, don't make them just real paper thin or anything. You see it? And just scoop that middle out. Don't worry if it's not perfect right at first. You can go back and get as much of it as you want. Now while I'm working on these, I have my pound of sausage already starting to brown. I'll show you guys in just a second. And you can use Italian sausage if you want. I'm using regular sausage, but just keep in mind, if you guys do use Italian sausage, you might not want to use as much Italian seasoning. I have a large onion chopped up. This is 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper chopped up. The inside of the zucchini that was removed earlier, now you're going to want to dice that up and add that back to your filling. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, or you can use 3 cloves, chopped up, minced up. Next I'm going to add my spices, which I'll put down below. And you'll want to add a can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of diced tomatoes. You guys should smell this. It smells so good. I'm just going to spoon this stuff in here. Now I'm using a slotted spoon because I don't necessarily want mine to be as runny. But if you wanted to, you could really just pour it over these dudes. I mean, people do it different ways. It's kind of up to you. And then after we get all this in here, we're going to top it with some cheese. Ugh. Mozzarella or Mexican. I believe I've got Mexican today, a Mexican blend. It's kind of up to you. It's so good. Mine's running over a little, but it doesn't hurt anything. I'm sure somebody will scoop up that goodness. If you want to, you could use another zucchini really to hold this so that they're not overflowing like mine are. Top with the desired amount of cheese, either mozzarella or Mexican blend. And we're popping it in the oven for 30 minutes. Time for my favorite part. Oh, that's so good. Thanks for watching, guys.